Hi everyone, it's Denise from DeniceWhiteley.com. Put a link below. I just wanted to show you a tool that I use that's Post-it notes in the cloud, and I love it. It's Google Keep, so it's keep.google.com. I'll put that link in the show notes also. You can create a Post-it note, you can color code them, you can categorize them. It's just organization central to me. And it's on my phone, it's on my tablet, and it's on my desktop and my laptop. So if anytime I think of something that I want to remember, I can just throw it into Google Keep and then come look at it later. So for instance, I have shopping lists up here and I color coded them pink. If I want to create a new note up here, so I'll create to-do list. And today in the snow, I have to walk the dog. And right here is where you color code it. So this is a new color. This is a new category, so I'll make that blue. And I will put this in. I'm going to add a label to it over here, which is to-dos. So it gets purple. And then I'm going to click done, and it comes down here. You can create a new label over here is errands. And then I can create a note under that and put it under the errands label. These are pinned right now. These are my two shopping lists. So you can pin those and they stay at the top. When you go into the app or when you come here, you'll see them first. The thing I love about this the most is that if I'm out shopping and I buy these things and then I'm done, but next week I need to buy those again, I don't have to write it out again. I just uncheck it and it's there because you buy the same things every week. And then for my business, like if I have a blog idea while I'm out, I can write it down. If I have something that I think, oh, I have to do this for this client, I can write it down. I can just take a note right there and then go look at it later. So that's my quick video on this. Please visit my website and sign up for my newsletter. You'll receive a checklist for creating a webinar. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.